Chat, how's everybody doing? It's good to see everybody back in here. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing this morning? New week. I'm still sick, man. So life is rough, but I'm trying my best out here. Morning, though, to everybody. We got a brand new week ahead of us, so let's do our thing. How was everybody's weekend? I hope you guys weren't trading bank holidays yesterday. But I know there's probably many degens in here that was. Afternoon. Degen over here. Oh, God. Yeah, guys, listen, if you guys are new here, I definitely recommend pumping the brakes on bank holidays. They're bank holidays for a reason. Yeah, no need to be trading them. Hey, bro, thanks for the knowledge you share. I caught a BTC yesterday with perfect inducement setup. I learned a lot from you. Let's go, bro. I thought the market was closed yesterday. It closed at 12 o'clock. People were still trading in the mornings. Damn, Marco wears red. Chat. I'm just wearing a hoodie because look at my face, man. Look, chat. Look at my face. My eyes, my nose. You know what's funny, chat? So I was in Dubai, and do you remember on Thursday? Yeah, on Thursday I was on stream with you. No, on Friday. Sorry, I switched days. Friday I was on stream with you guys, and I was sick, but I was getting better. You guys remember that? But then I went to go see some other friends, and they were sick, so I got rid of my old sickness and got a new one. Like, you actually can't make this up. I have been sick more than I have been not sick this year. It's quite concerning. So what I did was I ordered myself. I did a bunch of research first. And then I ordered myself a bunch of vitamins. And yeah, I'm going to make sure I don't get sick for the next 2 decades. Okay, because this is awful, bro. This is awful. It's not even a really, really bad sickness. It's just annoying. Like cold after cold after cold. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. You need to rest. I have been resting, my brother. I can promise you. Red for Lunar New Year. Yes, happy Lunar New Year for all my... I don't want to be racist here, but I'm pretty sure is it all Asians? Is it all Asians? My love, help me out here. Is there Asians specifically that celebrate Lunar New Year, or is it all of them? Chuk Mang Nang Moi. I think that's how. 1 second. I actually have my Lunar New Year. Here we go. Chat. I have my Lunar New Year envelope from last night. I was with the missus and their family. Chuk Mong Nam Moi. How did I do, chat? How did I do? Chuk Mong Nam Moi. The missus gave me a clapping hand, so that means I did something right, chat. Oh, I hope you guys had a good weekend though. And yeah, it's Tep from Vietnam. Mong Mot here. Oh, how many people from Vietnam in the chat right now, chat? How many people from Vietnam? Where my Vietnamese at? Oh, W's. Let's go. You're making wifey happy. I'm from Iraq, Middle East. Love from Lebanon, Saigon, Nigeria, Pakistan. Wifey is from wifey is Vietnamese. Alright, chat. What time is it right now? It is 9:10. I gotta lock in here. I've been up for 2 hours. But like I'm just not fully locked in, chat, and I can feel it. I can feel it in my head. I'm not fully locked in, and we gotta fix that. Alright, so let's hop into some charts here. I'm pretty sure the guys over at Apex are running 80% off. And I've said it before, chat, and I'll say it again. This year sometime, I don't know when, because I don't want to do it yet. I want to wait for the proper conditions. But I'm going to do a 20 account Apex challenge. Not yet, because again, I'm waiting for the right conditions. If you guys have not noticed, the market's been diabolical, in my opinion. And a couple people have been saying this over on Twitter, but yeah, these conditions over the last 2-3 months, not the most beautiful. I'm not saying it's not tradable, but we have seen better days. So when the stars align and the time comes, I will load myself up on 20 Apex accounts and we'll see what we can do. But the time isn't now. Okay, these charts are booty cheeks right now. I'm collecting base hits and moving on with my day. This is me. I'm staying afloat in the water. I'm staying afloat. All right. This is a game of survival right now, in my opinion. Even when, you know, and this is a massive... I give myself a pat on the back because years ago, when conditions don't favor me, and I wasn't on my game, I'd just blow accounts, right? And I would have no remorse. I'd just blow accounts left, right, and center. I'd be like, okay, fuck it, load up on some challenges and do it again. I haven't blown a single funded account since conditions have gone a little bit wonky. So I've entered a little bit of like a survival mode. And that's just me taking things as professional as possible. Understanding that conditions don't really favor me. So, yeah, I can take some trades sometimes, but they're kind of just base hits here and there, and I move on with my day. Bro, your music playlist name? I don't really know what it is. It's just a stream from YouTube or something, bro. Just some chill music. Sec chat. All right, let's get through some charts. So it's basically a new week because yesterday was a bank holiday, chat. So we got NQ, and been talking about it since last week, but I do want to see NQ back to these lows. 24 flat, 24K flat. Qualido, that question you're asking me is tells me you haven't watched any YouTube videos whatsoever. So go watch some YouTube videos and then come back to me and your questions will be answered. Okay, NQ alone right now, chat. I want to see price above London high. Not because it's London high, no, because it's liquidity. So I just want to see price above these highs here. We have some gaps, imbalances, whatever you want to call them, to the left hand side. Also got to be aware. Let me see. Yeah, I feel like we can continue selling off. I'm definitely gonna remain bearish, chat, but I want to see price above these highs before we continue off to the downside. So I don't know. Maybe stock open provides a little bit of a long. That's not impossible. I don't really see anything too interesting on the lower time frames right now, though. So we'll have to wait and see. ES on the higher time frames, kind of similar situation as with NQ. So we'll mark this high out. See what happens afterwards. Kind of like a one hour gap imbalance above as well. So gold. Heart remains. Wow, look at the sell-off we had. I didn't even know this. The sell-off we had. Oh my god, look at this 5-minute candle, chat. 500 pip 5-minute candle. I'm gonna remain bearish on gold. But hey, on an intraday perspective, I could see gold back up to this high. It's definitely possible. Is gold still... Did you catch a cold? Trust me. I mean, I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice. I sound like shit, chat. I sound like shit. And give me a second because I'm going to go blow my nose. Oh, fuck. Gold, yeah. The thing, yes, on an intraday basis, I feel like we can come back up to these highs, but I'm overall, I gotta remain bearish on this thing with these lows intact here. I don't love anything on gold though, chat. So my apologies to you gold traders. You guys can do your thing. Dollar pairs are an interesting spot, man. These things are trading so high. Aussie's taking out last month's high now. We're starting to see a little bit of a correction. Leaving highs intact though. Next destination I would say on Aussie would be 0.7 flat-ish, give or take. These lows. I do not like anything though. So nothing confident there. Euro. Same boat kinda. I feel like sells will prevail. We'll continue seeing this thing sell off. The conditions just haven't been too pretty. I mean, look off the daily chart alone, chat. You can see every single daily high just respected. I like to see those spikes above, right? And that continuation to the downside. And that hasn't happened once. So, yeah, I'm bearish, but not conditions that, like, you can trade, really. USD CAD, I'm really interested in, but it'll take time. I want to see these highs. I want to see us come back to these highs, chat. But again, I need to see a setup come along. Yes, the direction's there, but I don't see a reason to enter yet. UJ, we've left all of these highs intact. Something similar to USD CAD. We'll see on that. Other than that, Forex pairs, chat, very very It's more of an indice day for me. Forex wise, I do not see a single thing I like, chat. God's plan. I don't know what the playlist is, bro. Check YM. Is YM gonna follow suit with other indices? I mean, these highs next. No, that's all I see. That's all I see. YM, like I said, for the last couple streams, I don't really want to be trading it right now. Gonna continue focusing on NQ. Nice setup, Marco. How much did it cost you? Oh, like my computer setup? The gaming PC I have was like 2K, 2,500 for the gaming PC. For the streaming PC. The monitors, I don't know, a couple $100 each. It wasn't anything crazy, to be honest. Like maybe all in, 4 grand maybe for everything, give or take. Is it wide to trade? So we have we have FOMC on Wednesday, but it's not the FOMC you guys are probably thinking of, to be fair. But yeah, for the new people in here right now, chat, yeah, like pump the brakes on the Forex pairs. Wish I could give you guys something clean to trade on Forex, but it just ain't the case right now. It ain't the case. Let's see what happens on gold. Listen, this isn't my favorite type of setup, but hourly closes up. Let's see what price does after we take it out. Maybe we can get a continuation to the downside. I just need more PA, bro. I need more PA. Even this sell that we got up here, chat. The only thing I can really see. Sellers induced and trapped. Okay, and then that sell-off occurred. Marco, clarify on days you come to stream. I stream Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. But chat, yesterday was a bank holiday, so I wasn't on stream. Alright, so NQ right now. Bullish into these highs, bro. I'm bullish into these highs. We actually came into like a very small point of interest to the left-hand side. I could refine it a little bit. Just like that. Tapped into it and we've moved away. So I'm bullish right now into these highs. We'll see maybe what stock open does. Maybe there's a little bit of a cheeky scalp long we can take into the highs. We got 8 minutes ahead of us. Received 2 payouts yesterday from Funded Next, totaling just under $30,000. All from InterEquity YouTube channel. Marco and Abid are the best traders on the net. Damn, bro. If you received a 30K payout, all cheers to you. Savageness. Well done. Congratulations. What are your views on market dynamics? Do banks manipulate markets by... Listen, everything is a theory at the end of the day. I don't care what anybody says. Like, some people are like, oh, the banks are out there to hunt stop losses and this is the algorithm, this isn't. Like, guys, who cares, right? Your job here as a trader is just to find yourself a system and edge in the market and trade. Who gives a shit about the why? Who cares about the why? All right, man, like, you don't need to. There's probably no algorithm, like, and who cares if there is? Just find yourself an edge in the market and trade. Can you tell us what copy trader you use? I use TradeSyncer personally. But we aren't partnered with them, chat, so use them at your own risk. Use them at your own risk. That's all I can say. All right, so last hour, just to give you guys a little bit of an update on what NQ did. Look. Taking out highs, which induces buyers in the market, and we've trapped them, tapped in, and we moved away, right? So I am still favoring further longs on an intraday, maybe from a scalping perspective, you could say. Where it can come to, I'm not sure. It's one of those ones where I'm bearish overall, so I don't want to marry too much to the longs. I don't want to marry too much to the longs, but hey, we'll have to wait and see what happens. You can see we've also tapped into this little area on the left-hand side, which is giving us this temporary reaction. Excuse me. Marco, please take a look at BTC. BTC has been ranging ever since the big sell-off. But I still remain bearish. Still remain bearish. Look, do you guys remember this big bearish day we had on BTC? Look what happens to the market afterwards. This isn't a coincidence. Chop, 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 chop. Wait. Just wait. Okay, we've had big moves across the BTC chart. And I'm talking when we called this short out from the top here. That was a 38% drop. So, chill out on BTC right for now, chat. We got 4.5 minutes till stock open here. So, taking out some 1-minute lows right now. Like a sell on Euro USD, please check it for me. I'm bearish on Euro, so I am bearish on Euro. Sec chat. Pop up and drop or bullish for the day. I do believe we will get a pop up, yeah. I do want to see a move up. But we're not going to rule out sells. Like overall I am bearish, chat, on the higher time frame. So like when you're bearish overall, bro, you can't, even though there's some highs intact, I can't marry that. I can't. I'm bearish overall. So it'd be foolish of me to just say buy, and then sell. It can happen, sure, but you got to be aware of these situations. If I'm bearish overall and the market is showing possible buys, you just got to pump the brakes a bit. That's just what I like to do. So yes, the buys can occur. Don't get me wrong, but I am bearish overall, so I want to stay aware of that. We got just under 2 minutes now, chat. You know what's tough is the sell that we got on Friday, the timing that it happened at. This is so good. And then even Asia last night. This is clean, really clean. Tree-wise in Asia, let's take a look. Yeah, honestly, you could have. You definitely could have. Hey, Marco, how's your back doing? It's on and off. It really is on and off. But hey, I'm back home, so we're gonna go see the trainer soon. Things will get better. Things will get better. I'm confident in it, chat. I'm confident in it. It's just a slow grind with sciatica. It's just a slow grind. It really is. Day by day, that's all I can do. Some days are okay, some days aren't. But overall, I'm gonna be putting the work in to recover and fix it as much as possible. And now that I'm back home, I'm gonna start going to see my trainer again. I'm going to see him on, what day is it today? Tuesday. So I'm seeing him Thursday. Yes, guys. Giveaways will be always. I always run giveaways. Always. So just stick around. We'll run some giveaways. Okay, stock opens coming in right now. We're gonna pop above these highs. So we've taken out some 1 minute highs to the left, getting a reaction right now. With 15-minute lows taken. We're getting this. Wow, look at this wiki price action right now. Let's see this thing move higher from here to these highs possibly. And if not, all I got to do is wait for, look, we have all these internal points here. So price can respect these levels and I'll find a sell afterwards. Okay, so we are going to maybe this could be the high post stock open and we're going to sell from here. Looking like it so far. Lows taken here. Nothing too clean as of yet, chat. So let's wait and see what happens. Can't rule out these highs yet. I've heard swimming is great for back pain. Yeah, it definitely would be great for back pain because it's low load on the body, right? Low load on the body. So it's possible. Any sort of cross training, really. Well, I mean, that's what I can only do right now anyways, because I can't run currently. All right, there's that pop above these highs. This is what we're looking like on the 4 hour right now. 1 hour. We have all this gap to the left-hand side. Just clean up this chart a bit. We got across. So ES is above the highs right now, chat. Same with YM. Did push higher. And Q has not taken out the highs. This is a bit red flaggy. I have a weird feeling that Price might wait for 10 a.m. chat, but I won't marry to that. Okay, here we go. We're above highs now on NQ. Let's clean this up. Can you explain those two blue boxes? It's just a liquidity block. So if you watch my YouTube videos, you understand it's just a level. Look. So we spiked out that level of liquidity. We moved away. So I just grabbed that area because you tend to see the market react off them. That's it. Nothing too crazy. Chat, I'm going to enter a higher time frame position here. Then I want to, just so I have some volume on, and then I'm going to wait for the lower time frames to do its thing. I didn't see your time frame ribbon box. Are you seeing these guys? What? What does that mean? I'm confused. How does it feel to be back home? It's nice. It is good. It's just freezing here, bro, and I'm sick, so it's not a great combo. Being sick and then being in minus 20 degrees is not ideal, chat. It's not ideal. All right, NQ is on a mission right now. Let's see what this thing does. I want to see this thing turn relatively soon. And if I had to kind of put my money on it, it should be sharp and aggressive. If not, yeah, I mean, these highs on the left-hand side could get hunted for, I guess. We'll see. We'll have to reanalyze afterwards. Yeah. I do have small volume on right now, chat. Like I said, though, I want to see the lower time frames do its thing, and then we'll scale that risk on. Let's lock in here, though. Because if this sell does occur today, chat, this is a big-ass move. It's a big move. Yes, above the highs. YM. Look at this reaction on YM, chat. Look at this price action. This is crazy. Look at this 5-minute candle right here. That is wild. All right, we've ran this internal point to the left-hand side. A little bit of reaction. Nothing crazy yet, chat. It's literally just a 1-minute candle. I also made 6K using your strategy on silver. Cheers. Let's go, bro. W. Did you take any? Yeah, I have a higher time frame entry, chat. That's what I said before. Look. That's it. That's all it looks like. I've literally 1 micro on 6 accounts right now. That's all. Gold is a following suit. Gold selling. So it didn't take anything. 30-minute. Yeah, I traded above a 30-minute high and now it's selling. That's all I see though. Ain't nothing too pretty, chat. All right, we got a 15-minute close in 5 minutes now. Chat, overall in NQ, like I've been saying, is I do believe we will run for these lows down here on the higher time frames. Long-term wise, I'm very confident in that. Okay, now on intraday perspective, I'm not opposed to price coming back up and spiking this high out, 25 flat. If that does happen, I'll be more confident in the sell. Because right now I'm basically trading with like a channel, right? So yeah, this is definitely possible. We can also spike 25K and then the sell occurs. But however, I'm gonna remain bearish overall to these lows. Like these lows, I'm very confident in. So that doesn't change anything. That doesn't change anything, chat. Yeah, I could be early on the lower time frames, but that doesn't change my higher time frames. I suffer from sciatica. Stretching every morning religiously helps a lot. Yeah, I definitely stretch a lot. Sciatica is a bitch though, bro. I understand your frustrations and your pain. It is not a good time, chat. Sciatica sucks ass. Check gold. That's all I see, bro. All right, NQ showing a little bit of a reaction right now. Nothing convincing yet, chat. Nothing convincing. Thank you, Chart Fanatics and the entire team for all you do. We appreciate it. Let's go, bro. Yo, chat, did you guys all register for Chart Academy? Did you guys all register for Chart Academy? Come on. Get in the Discord. Huge things coming, chat. Huge things. You guys aren't ready for this, I promise. Chart Academy, man. You guys got to register. Get on that wait list. Wifey says yes. Let's go, chat. Oh, Bella's in here. Bella, is this you? Are you still in Dubai right now? Question is, wifey, did you confirm the wait list? Check your email. I don't want you lying, okay? Alright, NQ showing a little bit of a reaction right now, chat. Nothing crazy, though. 15 closes here in a minute and a half. I'm back in NY. Ah, back to the cold you go. Back to the cold you go. No fun. This thing just wants to spike and spike for us, hey chat? No lower time frame entry as of yet. Damn. Registered? Let's go. Freezing, Bella? Tell me about it. Me and wifey over here are dying. We hate it here. We hate the cold. I'm not gonna lie though. Right now it isn't actually that cold. Thankfully. Yeah, like I can't complain. It's 0 degrees right now. It's 0 degrees. All right, chat. Look at this reaction right now. go Chart Academy. W Chart Academy. Guys, little do you guys know, I didn't record a masterclass. Wifey did. Wifey did. All right, chat. I'm just gonna roll my stop above this high. I have the babyest entries rolling right now, but there's been no higher time frame entry, or sorry, no lower time frame entry as of yet. This is just a higher time frame position. Look at this reaction though, chat. We'll see if we can get more entries on the way down. This thing is plummeting right now. Pookie trades on Chart Academy. W Pookie trades. All right, that 15 closed, chat. Oof, look at that wick. 30-minute, we're leaving a massive wick to the upside right now. Same with the hourly. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, chat. If this is the high of the day we caught, then you just hold this to the close. You just hold this to the close. So right now we're up $1,000 right now, because we have this running on 5 accounts. I thought it was 6 accounts, but there's 5. Thanks, guys. Why am I seeing buys? You could be, man. You could. I can honestly, probably what I'm going to do is I might just slap this to break even. I might just slap this to BE. We'll see though. Obviously you guys will see how I manage this trade. 5 minutes still very bearish right now, so we'll see what happens. I like to monitor on the minis though. That's why you guys always see me on the minis. I enter on the micros, yes, but I always monitor on the minis. The micros is like a mirror to the minis, so sometimes the data is like, I don't know, it's weird in my opinion. So, like I said before, if this is the high of New York, not the high of the day, sorry, the high of New York. Okay, we've just taken out this low, chat, so I'm gonna wait, no, we haven't. This thing's on a mission right now, chat. You know how NQ goes sometimes, it just likes to die. We're up like 1,500 right now, but like I said, I'm probably just gonna hold this, chat. Probably just gonna hold this. And I'm gonna hold this probably to this low on the left. So if this is the high of New York, we've just manipulated, which means the PM session could also have a decent move to the downside. Well, we'll wait and see. Question is, which one has more accurate data? The minis. The minis has more accurate data. Always. Always, always, always. Alright, chat, we're gonna go BE here. No reason for me. If this thing comes back up to the highs, I don't want to see this trade go red on me. So we'll see how this plays out now. It's coming to this low down here. Just playing out as you stated earlier. Yes, sir. Forecast the move and trade the forecast. Just following that higher time frame narrative, chat. That's all it is. Stop loss stayed in a safe area. It's a very, very small trade though. I have 1 micro across 5 accounts, chat, so this isn't anything crazy. But like I said before earlier in the stream, if you guys were listening, these conditions are just like base hit kind of conditions for me. I'll just take my $400, $500, $600 per account and move on with my day. I don't need to have those big days right now because these conditions aren't my favorite. I'll say aren't my favorite. In 1 second, guys, I gotta blow my nose again. Oh, struggling over here, chat. Struggling. All right, we back. We back. Wow, this thing is moving right now, chat. Look at that hourly candle flip bearish. What are we up right now? We're up for 2K. We're up 2K right now. 2,000. Wish I had more energy for you guys this morning, chat, but this yeah, I'm getting my ass kicked right now. All right, chat, we've just taken out these internals, so we could see price slow down for a bit. It's possible. It's definitely possible. I'm risk free, so listen. And then we've talked about this the other day on stream. Worst case scenario. Think about this right now. Worst case scenario, I break even. That's worst case. I lose $0. Worst case scenario. W's in chat, yes sir. Let's go. How many ticks are we looking at to the lows down here? Give or take. About 1,000 ticks. So about 2,500 to the low. What wifey's texting me some funny things right now, chat. Just makes me laugh. Could see price stall here, like I said before. You know what we can do? Yeah, I never actually do this, to be honest with you, but we could just roll our stop, chat, above this high. It's such small volume though, like I could care less. That's the thing. I could really care less. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes until the next 4-hour candle comes in here. Thank you, Marco, of course. Pass my P1 challenge from this trade. W. Who took this trade, chat? Who took this trade? Talk to me. Who else is in this trade right now? I'm in. Let's go. W. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Coming for this low right now. All right. Guys, definitely, if you guys are in this trade, look to pay yourself at this low. I'm going to be about, let me see. Yeah, I'm going to be up 2,500 at this low. So I might just close out. Unfortunately, I only got one fucking contract running right now, man. Let's call this sick profits. That's what we can call it. Sick profits. All right. I'm in with 20K profit. Yo, Minu, you didn't have to do me like that. I'm in. I'm up 9K on 10 accounts. Yo, chat, you guys are eating right now. Chat is eating right now. What was the confirmation and reason for this trade? We'll cover that. I'll give you guys a breakdown afterwards when this plays out. If this plays out. Hey, Chad, I've seen it before. I've seen price come this close to my TP sometimes and reverse all the way back up. It's happened to me before, bro. It's happened to me before, and it'll happen to me again. Isn't that crazy? That's trading for you. Look at that. High of New York, though. That's clean. All right, chat. Here we go. We're out. We are out right now. Lows taken. Trade closed. That puts us at... $2,500. $2,500 on the day. W's. Congratulations, guys. Whoever took this trade. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. We'd love to see it. Congrats, BB. Wow, look at wifey in chat supporting me and all. One second, guys. My copier is doing some weird things. I gotta make sure I'm all good. Okay, Marco, now let's explain it. Yo, chat, give me a second, man. Connection not found. Oh, this is not good, chat. I have trades running on other accounts. Chat, give me 1 second here. I'm gonna need to hide my screen for a moment because my copier is doing some odd things. Give me a second. Give me a sec. I have to sign out of these accounts and sign into other ones and manually close out because, yeah, it's doing some weird shit right now. Alright, I just manually close out of these positions too. What's going on, chat? But alright, we're back. Oh wait, I have to sign back in. Hold the phone. Alright, I think we're good now. Boom. Alright, we're good. Alright, chat, we're back. Apologies about that. I don't know what's going on, man. My copier is doing some weird shit. I've actually never seen this happen before, so I'm not sure. But we're all closed out of the position. And since the other ones I couldn't close right away, that puts us at 2,800. 2,800 on the day. Big ups. Congratulations, though, whoever took the trade. Who took... Actually, you know what? Get a little video. Second, chat. Where are we? High to low. Close my position. Did not realize we're lagging behind. Look at that. From high to low. So here, you know what we'll do? This is what we'll do. We'll give you guys a breakdown. Look at this 15-minute candle. Oh my god. Okay. And you know what we'll do too? We just replay. All right, so before, what time was this at? It's 8 a.m. So New York open 8 a.m. We spiked the lows. Okay, we spiked these lows and we went bullish. And we were talking about how price could come up and smash these highs. Right? And we're looking at price to take the highs, take the lows. Right? You guys all remember that. Basically, the logic behind this move here is we've taken the low, so sellers are induced. Right? And then we take the high, which now tells us sellers are trapped. So we take the high, sellers are trapped, and now you want to see price continue, expand to the downside. And that would basically be your, not high of the day, because high of the day was in Asia, but this would be your high of New York, essentially. So you take that entry here. Stop loss needs to go above that high from the left-hand side, always. Okay? And yeah, you target the lows. Now, I only had one contract on, chat. I only had one contract on. So, price stab the highs. We get in up here. Stop loss at the high, and you target those. I only had one con on. If I did not have just one contract on, I would be targeting the lows to the left-hand side. Actually, let's just use this one. Just like that. All right, so that's basically the rundown. It's honestly a super simple breakdown. This is where we're sitting right now, so. Sorry, chat, give me a moment. This is really annoying me over here. My copier. I want to fix this. I don't know why. I don't know why it's not working for me. How important is timing? Listen, timing is important for intraday trading. Timing is important for intraday trading, in my opinion. But if you're trading like CFDs and shit, and you're looking for higher time frame moves like I do, then timing isn't really that important, in my opinion. Stop loss placement is definitely more important. Okay, now my copier is working again. That was weird. I think we're all good now, chat. I think so, at least. Nice. W. I don't know why I did that. Good stuff, though, chat. Solid short. Smashing some shorts while we're sick isn't a bad thing. Let's see what happened across the board, though. See if there's been any decent moves. Has the low been taken from the left? It has been. Look at this. Let's go back to the minis, though. So you see, pick and choose your areas to target. Look how I told you that second target would have been this low from the left. Look at that reaction that's already given. From the low to this reaction. Look, you're already looking at a 300 plus tick reaction. And this is right at 10 a.m. Chat, does this thing fly all the way back up? Nah. Wait. Chat, does this thing fly all the way back up? Kind of want to... Do we get greedy today? We catch 1,000 ticks, now we want more? Sure, man. No, I don't think it does, right, chat? That'd be wild. Yo. Okay, listen, chat. Maybe there's another move coming, man. Maybe there's a buy coming now. This would be savage, but you know what I can see occurring, chat, is this. That would be savage, but that's possible. See, hey, we're not ruling it out. Listen, if a trade comes, a trade comes. I'm not gonna be a pussy and not take anything. Let's wait and see. It looks good though, bro. Look, and oh my god, look at this reaction so far, chat. Highs taken, lows taken. Timing wise, look at this, chat. Oof, the timing is perfect. 4 hour low gone, swept. And if I go on the 4 hour, you guys will make sense of this. Look at this. If you guys have watched my most recent YouTube video, you will know what I mean by this. That 4 hour low is swept to a T. Look at this. 10 a.m. opens up, chat. 10 a.m. opens up, spikes it, and you got that reaction so far. So, hey, we'll wait and see what happens here, but It's not impossible. That would be wild. Kadir chat. Kadir says, bro, why didn't you tell us you're getting into a sell? I was waiting for you. Kadir, I'm going to do you a favor. Rewind the stream. And I told you guys, I clicked the button. I don't know how else to do it. I literally clicked sell with you guys and then said, I'm taking a sell position here. I don't know how. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I took it right in front of your face. Please be grateful. Wait, are you talking to me? Or are you talking about? Kadir, rewind the stream, bro. Rewind the stream. You guys know, if you're not new here, you guys already know that I everything is in front of you. There's no secret entry BS. None of that. None of that stuff. Can you please see something like enter here? Okay. Now you guys are trolling me, right? Yeah, we must have not been paying attention. Okay, I'm gonna need everybody who doesn't believe me right now, just rewind the stream. Please, just rewind the stream. And you guys will go see for yourself. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do over here. Maybe when I take an entry, when I take an entry, I have to have a sign above my head that says, in a trade. In a trade. Or, in a trade. You did say, hey guys, I'm in a higher time frame entry. Yeah, not only that, guys, it's on my screen. I switched back and forth a bunch of times. It's on my screen. Like, it's literally on my screen. It's not like I'm taking a trade on my phone or something. Am I getting trolled? Am I getting trolled today, chat? I'm getting trolled, I think. I have to be getting trolled. Chat, what's gold doing? If I had to... By the way, yo, you know what's funny, chat? On Friday, if you guys remember... Was it Friday? I on stream Thursday or Friday. I don't remember now. Whatever. Matt, what do you mean you're feeling greedy as fuck, bro? I don't want to be reading that. 1 second, chat. I gotta blow my nose, man. LOL, I caught the NQ sell, but I want more. Matt, chill, bro. Chill. Chill. And by the way, Matt, go look in the Discord. I already posted a forecast on USD CAD. So be careful. I posted a forecast in market forecasts. Today I did 2 stop losses. No problem. No problem. You just have to make sure you're following your rules, bro. Now, if your rules state that you shouldn't be trading anymore, 2 losses is it, then shut the computer off. Shut that computer off. Yo, this guy Matt kills me. I caught the NQ sell, but I want more. Please don't say that to me. On gold, chat. Yeah, everybody's talking about gold, gold, gold. Listen, if I was to touch gold, at the least, you're gonna need to see price above this high here. On the 15. That's right in front of my face. That's what I can see. You guys sell IE t-shirts? I gotta represent it. Yo, I gotta get some merch going. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in a buy on NQ. Listen, bro, chat. It would be wild. It would be absolutely wild, but it's possible. It's not impossible. I'll tell you that for free. Marco, you are doing great work. Yo, Pawan Kumor. Respect, bro. I appreciate you. I always appreciate messages like that. Bias on gold is bullish? No, I'm definitely not bullish on gold, no. Definitely not bullish on gold. I buy it from the tick. Thanks for your content. Second, guys. Marco, get on that buy, you savage. No, I'm gonna pump the brakes. Chill. I'm ranked 1,700 amongst 120,000 participants with 13%. Dude, bro, if you've made 13%, that's great. That's great. Chat, by the way, brand new YouTube video going out today. Brand new YouTube video coming out. So lock in. What ended up happening with YM, chat? Should we place stop loss above LB on the same time frame or entry on the higher time frame LB? Stop loss always needs to be above and below LBs, yes. Strategy, my own strategy, I guess you can call it. Remembering that line from the Lost Boys, you killed Marco? Well, Quiet Storm, I don't know what that is. That from a movie or something? So I can get your entry time frame. Yo, Krishna, little tip for you is look at my crosshair right now. This number beside the asset always tells you which time frame I'm on. Look, I'm circling it right now. Hey man, I'm a big fan of your training. It would be really great if you set a P&L whenever you enter, or only who joins would know then. I have it on my screen, bro. I have the P&L on my screen. Like I have the entries on my screen. I'm trading on TradingView. I'm not trading on a different platform. How many years figuring out your strategy? Yeah, a while, I guess you could say. Wasn't overnight. Yes, it's a movie, a cult classic vampire movie. You might like it, Marco. Yo, Quiet Storm, you comment very cryptic, and it makes me scared. Makes me scared. I'm playing. Yeah. Bro, I literally had 95 plus accuracy last week, but this week I did three trades and all stop loss. It sounds like normal trading to me. Well, I mean, 95 strike rate before is not really normal trading, but yeah, guys, listen. And there's someone in my community actually that I just messaged this morning, and he had a great week last week, and then today he destroyed all of his profits in one day. And guys, I talk about this on stream so many times. This is like my thing. But guys, if you don't learn how to lose, if you don't learn how to take a loss, you won't see results in this. You simply won't see results. Because all it takes is one losing day. You will wipe out all profits from days, weeks, and months of hard work. One red day, that's all it takes. So, the sooner you learn how to manage your losing days, the more progress you will see. The better P&L will come along. Just please, guys, listen. Tell yourself this. When you show up at the chart and you're like, okay, if I take a loss today, I am going to shut my screen off and move on with my day. Guys, January was like the last day of the month made it a break-even month for me, but I was red all of January. Some people can't stomach that. Want to know why I could stomach it? Because I understand everybody loses. Everybody takes losses. It's all a part of the game. There's going to be slow days, slow weeks, slow months. It's a game of survival at these points. Once you learn that losing is a part of the game, everything will change for you. Your whole perspective will change. But if you don't know how to lose, dude, all it takes is one red day. You will blow up every single time. And I know a lot of you guys can relate to what I just said. A lot of you guys can relate to that. Yo, brother Nuno in the building. What's up, Nuno? How we doing? Do you trade live every day? I'm not live every single day. No, I trade Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays with Chart Fanatics. And then the other days I'm usually with my community. Marco, why don't you use the order flow tools? I'm interested in your... I'm not against it. I'm not against it. I was with Carmine over in Dubai. Savage trader, bro. Savage guy, savage trader. And I was talking to him at dinner, and I was like, yo, honestly, I'm not against learning about order flow and adding it to my system. The reason why I wouldn't mind it is because adding order flow to my trading strategy wouldn't actually change my trading strategy whatsoever. It's another layer for my entry. That's it. But I would only use it on futures. For scalping. Fine, my brother. I'm good, bro. I'm just recovering from an illness right now. Look at this reaction right now. We're getting chat on NQ. Look at this shit. So, to frame this out, chat, we have internal highs left here. Yo, this could just be a pullback into a continuation, chat. Yo, maybe there's another sell coming. Wow. I'm bearish, bro, and I can't forget that. But these highs are so... Like, this would be the most ideal scenario on the higher time frames for me. To see these highs get taken out, and then boom, you look for those sells to come out again. That would be the most ideal scenario. How much time did it take me to become profitable? Years, bro. Years. Years and a lot of fucking time. Because those weren't just easy years. That was like, there were some days I was on the charts studying and doing my thing for like 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day. So that wasn't just like part-time. Oh, Chad, I gotta get over this sickness, bro. I just want to feel normal, bro. I've been sick for like a fucking week, man. More. Oh. 10:20. We got 10 minutes until the 30 closes. By 10:30, if it completely disrespects that F2. Fair. Bullish. Oh yeah, you guys like to use like this. What do you guys call this? An inverse? We close above it, it's an inverse? What's some of the best educational information used to learn and further your understanding? A lot of backtesting. Guys, I think the best mentor out there is the charts. And the only way... Like, I think your time on the charts is extremely important. That's the one thing I can't give to you, is my experience. You guys have to put that work in. Type of indicators used on chart. I don't have any indicators on my chart right now. Nothing at the moment. Vitamin C, multivitamin. Yeah, Nuno, I have a whole stack of vitamins now downstairs, and I will be on it going forward. Especially vitamin D, because we don't get any vitamin D. Oops. We don't get any vitamin D over here in Canada for like 4 months because there's no sun, bro. Marco vibing to the music. Let's go. Hello from Brazil. What's up, bro? Welcome. Welcome in. Welcome in. Look at this reaction so far, chat. Leaving a 15-minute wick right now. If it does continue selling, this will be the next destination. 24,425, chat. 24,425 would be a sell target. $15-minute closes here in 6 minutes. Look at this wick we're leaving right now. The 5-minute looks bearish. $3-minute just closed up, engulfing. In gold, what will be the next sell target? Ooh, I don't like gold sells right now. I like maybe above this high. Bro, wifey gone? No, she's here. She's always lurking. She's got the eyes on chat. That's why, guys, be careful. Be careful what you say. Wifey's here and she's got eyes on the chat at all times. I've blown my 7 real accounts in one day. Ooh. Yo, be careful. Be careful, my man. Five-minute closed up. Hella bearish, chat. 15-minute closes up here in 4 minutes. Look at this wick we're leaving right now. So it's tapped into this gap. You've seen that reaction to the downside. There's definitely more sell targets, and we have that higher time frame idea still intact. So, hey, this could just continue selling for the rest of the day. Not impossible, bro. How difficult was it for you to achieve logic in trading? I'm not sure. So what's a kind of a hard question to answer. Well, one day I will become profitable and come to Canada and meet you. And to meet you, love you, big brother and mentor. Yo, God's plan. Big brother. Much love though, bro. Appreciate you. Wifey, do you also trade? Yeah, wifey actually, she taught me everything I know. Wifey taught me everything I know, chat. So whatever you guys see on my charts, to understand that wifey actually, she showed me. Yeah, it's incredible. W wifey. Wifey is the creator of this trading strategy. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm not laughing and to be mean. Sorry. I apologize. Oh man. You chat, you guys are too gullible, bro. You guys are too gullible. When are the giveaways? Giveaways are today, chat. Don't worry, I got you. I got you, man. I got you. Dropping trade breakdown on my Discord. Baby, can you invite me to your Discord, please? I want to see this trade breakdown, if you don't mind at least. Yo, Marco, how you feeling? Better? I am feeling better, man. A little bit. A little bit. I'm definitely still ill, but I'm feeling a little bit better. I need some more time. Yeah, I appreciate you, Matt. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. Mom just looked at screen. Tell mommy I say hi. Wait, baby, give mommy the give mom the screen and I'll say hi to her. Is she watching? Tell me when she's watching. Is she watching? Okay, 1 sec. Okay, I'm waiting. Tell me when. Chat, listen. When she comes on, she's watching. We all have to spam in the chat. Okay. Do me a favor. When she's watching, everybody spam. Yes. Okay. Hi, mommy. Guys, chat. Everybody but W mommy in chat. MOMMY. Spam it, chat. Say hi, mommy. Let's go, chat. W's. Let's go, bro. That's the mother-in-law. She's watching right now. You guys are awesome. Appreciate you. That's awesome. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. You guys are amazing. It's a sell market right now. Yeah, careful, chat. Careful. But RR is too low to take. She said this is the best New Year's gift. Yo, W. Wait. I'm gonna say it. Chuk Mong Nam Moi. Chuk Mong Nam Moi. I think I pronounced it correctly. Chuk Mong Nam Moi. Hopefully I killed it there, chat, because Vietnamese is not easy. Vietnamese is not easy. Bruh. Yo, Matt, yo, listen. Vietnamese is not an easy language to learn. A for effort? Which language? It's Vietnamese, bro. It's Vietnamese. Chat, listen, if we get a spike above this high right here. Continuations could occur, bro. So hold the phone, chat. Video call, live stream. I agree. W. Alright, so the 30 close, bro. Look at the 30, chat. Leaving that wick. Completely filling this imbalance, that gap. The 15-minute wicked in, closed below. Why are you using the 1 minute? Because I'm trading futures. I only scalp intraday trade futures. It's a pleasure learning from the best himself. Yo, I'm not the best, but I do appreciate the love. I do appreciate the love. You're too kind. Marco, why my eyes always see trend lines on chart? What you mean, bro? Right now, look at this beautiful trend line we're creating right now, chat. Come to Brazil, bro. We can play football together. Yo, I want to do some sick trips to like places like that. Brazil. I want to go Cape Town. Chad, I'm going on a little Asia trip next month. So I'm going back to Dubai with the wifey. We're going to Dubai. We're going to Hong Kong, and we're going to Japan. So it's gonna be sick, but I'm excited. Very excited. Okay. NQ is continuing selling right now, chat. Listen, if we hold this low, it's coming quick, but if we hold this low, something like this could occur. Brand new YouTube video, Marco? Yes, sir, chat. We have a brand new YouTube video coming out today. I got you guys. We have a brand new video coming out today. And once I feel better, I'm going to record more. But as you guys can see from my current state, I am not 100%, unfortunately. My ass is getting kicked. Also, chat, if you guys can do me a big favor, it would be much appreciated if you guys can smash that like on stream. Smash that like on stream. Please, hit the thumbs up. It would be much appreciated. If you guys like what we're doing here over at Chart Fanatics, toss a like on the stream, man. It helps us. If you come Cape Town, bro, I'll be your tour guide. Yo. All right, Matt. I'm going to hold you to it, bro. I'm going to hold you to it. I'm going to hold you to it. I did it already. You're giving real value, and we appreciate. Yo, I appreciate you, bro. I honestly, I appreciate all of you guys in here. I really do. Means a lot. What time frame you use for entry? So chat, my entry is up here, and it was a higher time frame. That's it. You could have used the hourly. You could have used the 30, the 15, whatever you wanted to use. Completely up to you. That's what it looks like. So it was about a 4R on stream because we closed just below the low. So it was about 1 to 4. Reason behind your entry, my entry, we've taken out some highs, and I wanted to see price sweep out lows to the left. That's it. I'm bearish overall, and it aligns with what I want to see on the higher time frames. I want to see these lows go. Time to binge watch the new YouTube video. Let's go, Jonathan. Let's go, bro. Yeah, new video comes out today, chat. I got you guys. Let me see what video it is. Actually, let me see. Message the boss man. Do I use... Yo, what is this comment, bro? Someone said, do you use oil on the head? It's shining Marco. Can you guys imagine for a second? I wake up in the morning and I just rub oil on my head. I can't believe you guys sometimes. Yo, chat, you guys kill me sometimes, bro. Okay, the new YouTube video coming out today is a Training the Eyes episode, chat. Training the Eyes comes out today. Nah, you guys kill me, honestly. You guys kill me. What's gold saying now, chat? Gold continuing? Nothing. BTC had a little bit of a sell off at 9:30. Trading at 66.7 right now. NQ continuing. Marco, to what time is the stream? We'll be here for a little bit longer. I'm gonna run the giveaway shortly. So if you guys want a chance to win some free accounts, stay in stream, like the stream, and we'll be running some giveaways shortly. Let me see what we're doing. Yo, Jan, what's good, bro? I hope you're well. Best playlist ever? Let's go, chat. I know a lot of you guys are liking the Training the Eye series, which is nice. In my opinion, man, in my humble opinion, I think the Training the Eye series is the most powerful YouTube videos for the technicals. All right, so for today, chat, if you guys want to participate in today's giveaway, remember, like the stream, but we're going to be running an Apex account, Alpha Capital account, in 12 months, Tradezilla. Continuing right now. NQ is just bearish. looks like our entry. So listen, if we had more than one fucking mini on, or more than one micro on, this is an easy hold. We'll just take our 2,500 and close off for the day. But you would partial down here, then you would just hold, bro. You would hold to these lows on the left. More volume, but I had one fucking contract running, so. One sec, chat. I gotta blow my nose again. Oh. Pro trading is the main reason to hair fall. The way you worded that's funny. Hair fall? All right, chat. You know what we can do? Shit, let me get out. What we can do is we'll start organizing the giveaway. So like the stream if you guys have not yet already. That will give you a better chance at the giveaway. And then we will run today's giveaway shortly. All right, so. All right, chat. Let me get this all sorted quickly. So for today's giveaway, you're going to be using the word !sick. !sick, and you will be entered into today's giveaway. Do your thing, chat. Run it up, chat. Run it up. Again, apologies. Apologies for my lack of energy. Yeah, I'm still sick, man. I'm still sick. But hey, we're gonna get better. We're gonna get better. And then we'll be back to normal soon times. But yeah. I got a headache and shit, bro. So I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to keep my energy levels as high as possible. But I appreciate all of you guys for hanging with me. We are running a giveaway right now in stream. We are running a giveaway right now. !sick and LOL sick. We're going to be giving away an Apex account, an Alpha Capital account, and 12 months of TradeZella. 12-month subscription to TradeZella. All right, chat. So get in there. !sick in chat. I'm going to shut it down in like 30 seconds here. All right, chat. We're going to shut her down. We're going to shut her down. All right, chat. Everything all closed up. We'll wait for Mr. Anthony to send us over our names, and then we'll be good to go. I think he already did. This man is too quick for us. He did. Second chat. Can you guys see my screen? Yeah, you can. Beautiful. Boom. Lots of entries today. Okay, chat. Here we go. Lock in. We're going to be running giveaways today. It'll be for an Apex account. Will be the first one. The second one will be Alpha Capital. The third one will be for 12 months to trade Zella. Nah, man. The stream came through. We loved it. Appreciate you, bro. I do appreciate you. Anthony is flash. He is. This man's too quick for us, bro. Okay. First account is going to be for an Apex account. Here we go, chat. Here we go. Espino Trade. Espino Trade. W. Congratulations, Espino. I just need you to type in chat so we can confirm you're here and all good to go. Espino Trade. W's in chat for Espino. There you are. Congratulations, Espino. You've won yourself a free Apex account. Please follow the instructions in chat. Please. Follow the instructions in chat. Next account is going to be for Alpha Capital. Here you go. Lock in, chat. Here we go. Alpha Capital. Rivox. W Rivox. You've won yourself a free Alpha Capital account. Free Alpha Capital account. Let me type in chat so you can claim your winnings. Rivox, where you at? Rivox, where you at? Where you at, bro? There you are. Congratulations. Please follow the instructions in chat to claim. Last one, chat. Here we go. Big one. 12 months to trade Zella. 12 months, man. This is huge. Lock in. Boom. Lambert Martin. Congratulations and welcome to the Trade Zella family. Lambert Martin. W's in chat, man. Listen, even if you guys didn't win, always got to show love to the people that do. All right, congratulate them. W's in chat for Lambert. Congrats to the winners. I like that vibe. I like that vibe, Matt. I like that. Lambert Martin, you've won yourself 12 months. That's huge, bro. Huge. 12 months to Trade Zella. Welcome to the Trade Zella family. If you guys don't use Trade Zella, you are missing out. I'm just looking for Lambert to type in chat to claim his winnings. Congrats to everyone. W Quiet Storm. I like that vibe. Marco, watch the Lost Boys. I gotta add it to the list. Lambert, there you are. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a 12-month. Love it. I love it. 12-month subscription to Trade Zella. Boom. All right, chat. Listen. Listen. We had a great day. I'm sick as shit. But we showed up. We vibed out with chat. You guys showed out. You guys showed love like you always do. I appreciate you guys all the time. We banked like over $2,500. It was like $2,800 across 5 accounts. So, solid day. We can't complain. But I love you guys. Appreciate all of you guys for tuning in with me today. I'm going to go to, not to bed, but I'm going to recover up. I'm going to hydrate up. And I will see you guys on stream Thursday. All right. Love you guys. Thanks for hanging with me today. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And I will see you guys Thursday. All right. Trade safe. Be safe. All the best, guys. Take care.